Hey guys, today we're going to be installing an exhaust system on a first generation XB. So to get the rear exhaust done on the Scion, grab a can of WD-40, a couple flathead screwdrivers, 3/16, a 12mm socket wrench, and some anti-seize. So here are underneath the car. Here's your jacking point right here in the center. You can't really miss it, it hangs down. There's one of your exhaust hangers. Here's your other. And then you have this clamp back here that holds the exhaust onto the rest of the system. So this little bolt right here is a 12mm bolt. I'm just gonna let it hang there. Clamp is now out of the way. So what I did is I sprayed a little bit of WD-40. There's a little can of it. It's almost empty. Spray on the end of the screwdriver. On the back one, I stuck the screwdriver in, reamed it around to the top, pulled up, and then physically pulled on the back side of this with my hands. On the bottom one, I went in from behind here and used the end of the peg as leverage and slowly popped it off. Both times I did spray extra WD-40 on these when I had the screwdriver in there. It did help it slip off. So I'm going to actually do one here real quick to show you guys how I've been getting these off. Hopefully I don't bump the camera too much, but give this a shot. Little squirt of WD-40. You can see, can't exactly see the tip down there at the bottom, but I do have the screwdriver all the way through. Might need to spin it around and try and find the best spot to loosen it up. It comes right off. So, got the new exhaust back on. I put a small little spray on each of the exhaust hangers. That way they just slide right in. This thing fits really nicely. So the next thing we're going to do here, because I've got a little bit of anti-seize, and that's just to put it on the little clamp bolt down here at the back.